Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you the process of installing and run Windows 8.1 inside of this VMware workstation. So after completely watching and following this tutorial, you all will be able to install Windows 8.1 as a virtual OS inside of this VMware workstation without having and facing any of errors. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification net and join with me. Okay friends, firstly you need to download and install VMware Workstation on your PC. You can easily download and install this application. So I am not going to guide you the process of installing this application on your PC. And then you have to activate this VMware Workstation. You can read to this GitHub link for get the activation codes for this VMware Workstation, and then you will be able to activate your VMware Workstation without installing cracked versions. And you need to download this Windows 8.1 this image file. You can read to the next link that I added to the description of this video to download this Windows 8.1 this image file. So then you need to click here and download it like this. Now you can see our downloading process is started. I have already downloaded this Windows this image file, so I'm not going to download it once again. And then you need to open your VMware workstation. Now click on this create a new virtual machine option. Okay friends, when it comes to here, you need to select this custom advanced option and click on next, and then again click on next. Then you need to click on this installer this image file option and go to browse option to select your Windows 8.1 this image file. I'm selecting this one and then click on open, click on next, click on next and click on yes and click on next again click on next. When it comes to here, you can adjust the processor numbers which you want to use as the processors of your virtual OS. I am selecting one processor because my original OS processors are also limited to 4, so only I can go up to 2 processors. Then it will be also a little bit slow. However, I can go up to these 2 processors. Then click on next again. Now in here you need to adjust the RAM size of your virtual OS. So I am recommend you to use 30% of your original RAM as the virtual OS RAM. In my case, only I have is 8 GB RAM on my original OS, so I am selecting 2 GB. In this case, if you want to really run Windows 8.1 inside of this VMware workstation as a virtual OS, you need to select 2 GB at least, because Windows 8.1 required at least 2 GB RAM. So you need to select 2 GB RAM necessarily. Then click on next. Again click on next and click on next. Now click on this create a new virtual disk now option and click on next. When it comes to this screen, you need to adjust the hard disk size of your Windows 8.1. In my case, I am using 40 GB is enough for me to run this virtual system on my PC, and my PC disk storage is also limited, so I am selecting 40 GB. If you selected this first option, it will allocate all this space now, which means your 40 GB will be writing on your hard disk at once. But this option will increase the performance of your virtual machine, so I'm selecting this tick. If you wish to select, you can select it. If you didn't select it, it will increase the size of your virtual hard disk as your disk usage. Then you can store this virtual disk as a single file if you want to share this virtual machine into another PCs also. I'm not selecting this because it will reduce the performance of this virtual machine. I'm selecting this next option called split virtual disk image into multiple files option. It will increase the performance also. Then click on next. Again you need to select the place where which you want to locate your virtual hard disk. In my case, I am selecting local drive D because of I want to save the space of my local disk C. So I have already created a folder to locate this virtual disk image file. Then click on save. Then click on next again. Click on finish and wait until completing this virtual disk image file creation process. Okay friends, here you can see we have successfully created a Windows 8.1 virtual disk image file to run Windows 8.1 on our PC. But we can't launch this virtual machine at once after creating it, because there are some errors maybe comes up. If doesn't is okay, you can continue to installation process, but if there are any issue comes up, you need to search for Windows features like this. Then you have to find this turn on or off Windows features option. Now open it. Then you need to find and disable these settings. You need to disable this Hyper-V platform. Then scroll down and you need to find and disable this virtual machine platform and also hypervisor platform. Again you need to disable this Windows Sandbox option and Windows Subsystem for Linux option. After completely disabling these options, you need to click on OK. Then this window will deactivate these features from your computer, and after that you have to reboot your PC. Then you can launch your Windows 8.1 virtual machine like this.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Okay friends, here you can see I have successfully installed Windows 8.1 inside of this VMware workstation. So let's try to activate this Windows 8.1 OS. Click on this install tools option. Now open your file manager and go to this DVD drive D option and click to run it. Okay guys, let's try to activate Windows 8.
swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong.
Now you can see our Windows is also activated. So I'm going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.